Hi everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for Libras for the month of August 2021. It's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, so let's see. Libra, what's going on with you? It's a career thing. Okay, so Libras, in your career life, you are balancing your money. Okay, some of you might be donating in a charity, or some of you might be doing donations. Okay, or some of you might be, giving loans to the people, or some of you might be balancing your money wisely. Okay, like thinking and then spending wisely, which is very good. Okay, so yes, you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your money related stuff, your career related stuff. A lot of clarity is there, okay, into a situation related to career or money. Okay, there's a major opportunity, major breakthrough is coming in your way. Okay, like let's say there's a major project which is coming in your life. Okay, and grab that project, guys. Okay, grab that project, because that project will help you out to change your life in a major way. Okay, within next 1 year, a major breakthrough, major project is coming into your life. You need to grab that project. That project will bring you good financial abundance. Okay, so yeah, it will be related to let's say money related project. Okay, where the amount might be good. Okay, so yes, so that's the career life. Okay, you need to grab that opportunity related to money. Okay, I'm just telling you that within next 1 year it will come. In your relationship, yeah, there's a karmic ending which has to take place, which is not happening, or you might have to deal with some legal divorce case, legal documentation. Okay, some legal stuff into your relationship, child and custody or something like that. Some legal court case might happen, or else there's a karmic ending which is not happening. It's taking time for ending that karmic relationship. You are dealing with some karmic relationship. Okay, that ending is not taking place. That's the problem. Okay, a new opportunity, new person, new energy is coming in your way. Once you end this karmic relationship, karmic situation, karmic problems, then once this karmic closure happens, then a new person, new energy, new opportunities entering into your life, into your personal life. Okay, into your romantic love life. Okay, you're going through some major third eye chakra opening, like a spiritual awakening is happening, which is very good. You're just being patient enough and just going with the flow. Okay, you're just there's a divine timing playing its role. Okay, everything will be happening at the right timing, in the right moment. Not necessarily this month, but in your personal life the decisions will be taken at the right divine timing. Okay, that divine timing has not yet arrived yet. Okay, so yeah, you just need to be hopeful, and you need to be believed. Okay, you deserve love. You are lovable, Libra. Some of you, if you think that you are not lovable, people don't like you, love you, then you are lovable. You deserve love. Love will be coming. You need to heal family issues, your love life, or your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. If there's some issues going on in your family life, then you need to heal your family issues, guys. Okay, let go of control issues. If you are really controlling, and if some other people are controlling you, allow this situation to unfold naturally. You need not have to be so controllable. Okay, you need not control other people. Okay, I'm telling you that, because control issues will create a lot of issues. Trust me. Do not control. You need not have to be very much controllable related to certain situations. Okay, that's the thing. You need to let go of the control issues. Let's see. Your energy is stuck, guys, because cards are not coming up, cards are not popping. So your personal life is really really a bit fucked up. Very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. You need to start manifesting whatever you want, okay? And you need to have a lot of clarity related to situation, especially in the month of August, because whatever clarity you will gain, the manifestation will happen in that way, which is very good. Okay, you need a vacation, guys. If you already are married and if you are already into a romantic relationship, you need a vacation. You need to disconnect from the world and go on a honeymoon tour or a vacation with your partner, okay? But if you are single, then you need to go alone, and you might meet someone new out there while traveling or going out, okay, in the month of August. If you are traveling somewhere, you might get in contact with someone new person, okay, while traveling, which is very good. There's a true love waiting for you. This is the romance of a lifetime. There's a new person waiting for you, new energy, something. If you're already single, I don't know, but new person, new energy is waiting for you. Or if you were dealing with a karmic connection in the past, that karmic closure will be happening and a new person is entering into your life, which is very good. Okay, that's a pretty good energy, let me tell you. You need to connect your life purpose. Some of you might be a writer, script writer, you can be anyone, blogger, okay, but you like to spend time with books and reading books, writing books, okay. Some of you might need to start working with the flowers, okay, because that will help you to heal your innermost self-esteem issues, okay. Some of you might become a nutritionalist, like dietitian. You conduct healing work with your culinary skills, okay. So some of you might, show your skills, whatever your skills is, you need to show your skills, okay. So yes, some of you might need an advice from the higher level person, okay. Some of you might need to go for a counseling, you heal. Or also some of you might be involved in a healing people. You might be a counselor, career counselor, motivational counselor, a healer, a reiki healer. You might be a healer, okay. So you heal with kind words, wise advice and empathic ear, okay, which is good. Some of you might spend a lot of time with family in the month of August. Loving your friends and family is the central part of your life, which is very good, okay. So that's really cool. Sensitivity. You are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. You are being very emotional. You are emotional actually, Libras, okay. So you are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly, okay. Think from your mind. Don't think from your heart, because sometimes making a decision from your heart gives you bad decisions as compared to being practical. So I just want you, in this case, you need to be practical. Don't be an emotional fool, Libras, okay. So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, Libras. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care guys, love you all.